Dogecoin, Doge, certainly is a mineable coin that in every practical sense is at present exchanged at $0.093590 per unit, with the market capitalization of $13,315,158,713 that makes it a mid-position digital currency in an unobtrusive manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin in every practical sense have currently essentially turned into the point of convergence of consideration for decently retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for fundamentally huge institutional financial backers who sort of see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly successful generally support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy in a significant manner. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its really current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that sort of depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in a significant way. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin basically remains at $0.093590, and this by and large specific computerized resource for the most part stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, or so they thought. For by and large your data, the for the most part positioning of each and every digital money sort of is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and cost, and really is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Likewise, to by and large get a for the most part better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance and really figure out the truly broad course of the pattern, or to enlist its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to fundamentally break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on December 16, the cost of Dogecoin really remained at $0.093004 at the end of the by and large day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.70% contrast when contrasted with the in every practical sense current cost 7 days prior, on December 10. The Dogecoin market truly remained at $0.098541 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which explicitly is very critical. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its sort of present standing. A month prior, on November 17, Dogecoin truly was valued at $0.079303, which harmonized with our cost expectation for that kind of specific period, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Contrasted with the really present place of Dogecoin, it addresses an 18.02% cost move in an unobtrusive manner. At the point when it especially comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves essentially more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its exceptionally generally ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, pretty further appearance how right now, the cost of Dogecoin generally remains at $0.093590. And this very specific advanced resource fundamentally stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a truly key pointer to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices a significant way. It sort of is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that for the most part are as of now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the very current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by truly remains at $0.093590 in a kind of enormous manner. Considering that equation, we generally have determined the genuinely current market capitalization of Dogecoin to really be at $13,315,158,713. Which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those truly present on the cryptographic money market, which basically is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on December 16, the market capitalization of Dogecoin especially remained at $13,229,748,597, keep going weak. On December 10, the certainly aggregate sum of most certainly capital gave to Dogecoin sort of was laid out at $14,009,376,958. The information from a month prior, enlisted on November 17, shows that Dogecoin generally had a market capitalization of $11,249,772,282. Which in every practical sense shows that so, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its sort of current standings, as well as the mid-term and especially long-haul cost expectation that in every way that really matters depends on the readings of our by and large exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in a significant way. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that in a real sense have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made and explicitly are either circling available or secured in designers or alternately holders' chilly wallets. The truly complete stock likewise considers any coins that really have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in a very huge manner. It can especially measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that truly is public on the securities exchange in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of all-out supply of Dogecoin as of now sort of stands at 142 271 466 384 Doge in a by and large huge manner. As currently made sense of, the circling supply especially is the most usually involved really metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. It compares with the actually the best estimation of the genuinely generally number of coins that fundamentally are public on cryptographic money trades and truly add to their liquidity in an exceptionally enormous manner. Their volume doesn't in a real sense incorporate the coins that especially are vested, marked in sort of savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or generally put unavailable for general use, which shows that contrasted with the in every way that really matters present place of Dogecoin, it addresses at 18.02% cost move in a sort of significant manner. The flowing inventory truly is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange in a for the most part large manner. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin fundamentally is assessed at 142 271 466 384 Doge, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can really assist one generally with deciding better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the principles of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently essentially happen at the cost levels that explicitly are joined by generally sort of high volume, since those especially are the volumes where enormous cash generally had explicitly come into in every practical sense play. As indicated by our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market explicitly was as per the following. Over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market especially added up to $550 952 637, which especially is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on December 16, the truly normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting sort of added up to $614 056 351 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on December 10, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $1 122 465 164 in a by and large enormous manner. This information and the events on the Dogecoin outline